Some Windows users have been encountering the Office couldn't install 30088-1021-0 error whenever they attempt to install or update Microsoft Office on their computer. This issue is mostly reported to occur on Windows 10. This video will be the fixes that other users in similar situations have used to fix this problem. Method 1. Run the repair tool to resolve couldn't install Office error. Start by opening up a Run dialog box by pressing Windows key R. Next, type appwiz.cpl and press Enter to open up the Programs and Features window. Inside the Programs and Features menu, scroll down through the list of installed applications and locate your Office installation. Next, go ahead and right-click on the listing associated with Office and click on Change from the context menu. Wait until the initial scan is completed, then choose Online Repair, if available, and wait until the operation is complete. Note, it's important to ensure that you're connected to a reliable network before initiating this procedure. Once the repair procedure is complete, restart your computer and see if the 30088-1021 error is fixed at the next computer startup. Method 2. Use Office Fix-It tool to repair the installed 30088-1021-0 error. Start by visiting the official download page of the Microsoft Office Fix-It tool and downloading the diagcab file. Once you get to the correct page, click on the download button. After the tool has been successfully downloaded, double-click on the diagcab file to open it. When you get to the first prompt, click on Advanced and make sure that the box associated with Apply Repair automatically is checked. Then, click the Next button to proceed. After the initial detection phase is complete, click on Installing or Uninstalling, depending on when you get this error. At the next screen, select the program that you're encountering issues with, most likely Microsoft Office, and click Next once again before finally clicking on Yes. Try Uninstall. Wait until the operation is finally complete, then restart your computer and reinstall the Microsoft Office suite via the official channels to see if the same error is still occurring. If you're still encountering the error even after using the Fix-It tool, jump down to the next method. Method 3. Uninstall then install Office. Press Windows key R to open up a Run dialog box. Next, type appwiz.cpl and press Enter to open up the Programs and Features menu. If you are prompted by the UAC, User Account Control, click Yes to grant admin access. Inside the Programs and Features screen, scroll down through the list of installed programs and locate your Microsoft Office installation. Once you locate the Office suite that's giving you trouble, right-click on it and choose Uninstall from the context menu that just appeared. Inside the Uninstallation screen, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process, then restart your computer and re-download the latest version of Microsoft Office from the official channels.